Year 8, question 3. Dave makes a pattern with tiles. He records how many tiles are used for each pattern number. So understand the table. So I have number of pattern. So I have pattern 1. I have 5 tiles. Pattern 2. I have 11 tiles. Pattern 3. I have 17 tiles. Pattern 4. I have 23 tiles. Pattern 5. I don't know how many, you have to find out later. And then pattern, don't know number which. It consists of 47 tiles. So take note also the pattern number are labeled by P, and then the number of tiles are labeled by T. So for question like this, as we know as a pattern, so there must be a pattern in between the numbers there. So are you able to see that hidden one? So pattern 1 to 2, check. Seems like it's increasing from 5 to 11. Increasing slowly or fast? I would say slowly in terms of like it still stay as 1 or 2 digits. It doesn't increase like 2 to 3 digits from 10 maybe to hundreds. No. So this is quite gradually. So it could be a add here. Add how much? So 11 minus 5, add 6 here. So I predict that could be the hidden patterns there. Check for the second one. 2 to 3. Check. A, still increasing. Increasing by how much? Oh, it seems like add 6 to 11, we'll get 17. I can smell the pattern already. So this is also plus 6. With such 3 confirmation, therefore, I can also predict that the next one is plus 6. Therefore, I'll be getting 23 plus 6 will give me a 29 here. Pattern 5 has 29 tiles. Now, I know the secret ingredients here is plus 6 at 6. So it goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. And with don't know how much number here, it will give me a 47 tiles. Now, the question wants you to find what is the number of pattern here. At which pattern, then I'll get 47 tiles. So how should I get this? Think. The easiest way I can do here is following the pattern. So when it says the pattern is at 6, so I'll be adding 6 here. So let's fill in the blank here. I add 6. That will turn to 35. Correct? That's once. I add 6. Second round, it will give me a 41. Second round, I add the third round. Ta-da! It will give me a 47. So there is a 1 time, 2 time, perhaps 3 times. So I extend the circle or the arrows up there. 1 time, 2 time to get 41, and the 3 time will give me a 47 here. So with that, I fill in the blank. This is the 6th. To get 35, this is the 7th pattern to get 41, and this is the 8th pattern to give me 47 tiles. B. Dave finds a row connecting the pattern number and also the number of tiles, connecting this P and also the T here. Select the correct row. Choose at least one answer. So there could be more than 1, which is 1 or 2 or more than that. So in A is actually the term-to-term rule that we learned earlier, because we are moving from tiles to tiles. So this is like term to term from 5 to 11, 11 to 15. And from pattern, this is also considered as moving in term to term. So this is like a term-to-term rule, which is at 6 here, as you can see it on top. For part B, it is a different thing because we are actually comparing the position of pattern with the number of tiles, which is the term. So we are trying to connect between the position to term rules. Therefore, the answer should be position T comes first, and then the term comes here. I tell you what, the easiest way is, if I already have the numbers here, the easiest way is just plug in a number and give it a try. I know that my P is equals to 1, and then my T will be equals to 5, right? Try this out for the first one. T equals to -1 plus 6P. I plug in my P inside, that's 1. Others remain the same. Oops, I missed out the 6. So 6 multiplied by 1 gets 6. Minus 1 plus 6 equals to 5. So A, my T here is a set. So that's bingo. So this is the answer. Second, let's try the second one. Again, I have T equals to 7P minus 6. So with that, my P equals to 1. I substitute P into 1 here. Others remain the same. So that is 7 minus 6, that's 1. Oh, the T should be 5 here. So this one cannot. So this is wrong. And then try the third one. T equals to 6P minus 1. So my P here again is 1. 1 inside. Others remain the same. 6 minus 1, 6, 1, 6, 6 minus 1 at 5. Hey, this is correct. So I mark here. And try out the fourth one. T equals to P plus 7. If P equals to 1, my T should be equals to 8. Oh, it's not. Cancel off. And the last one here is T equals to 7P plus 1. And then I'm getting P equals to 1 here, substitute inside. 7 plus 1, I'm getting an 8 here. No, this is not. So the answer are this and also this. And if you can take note, both of these are actually the same thing, yeah? Positive 6P, positive 6P, and also I'm having -1 and also -1. It's just the sequence are different. So basically they are the same thing. Same connection between position to term rule.